Did you change your mind?
To license plate shop.
The license plate shop?
He breaks it back.
Are you still getting a new car?
I see a license. I'm going to show you something over there.
You want me to come
Yeah,
with my license plates? Are you got to be sneaking?
Come on,
Okay. I'm going. Do I have to walk like you? What is it?
It's coffee.
Oh, let me see. Somebody left their coffee cup and you found it. I spy. Want to sit in this row?
No.
Oh, okay. Hey, buddy. Where you going? Okay. And we watch that board up there. See the board up there? Right up there. See the numbers? We can watch our number. What's our number again? 694?
We have to be right here into the train comes, okay?
Oh, now we're going on the train?
Yes.
Okay.
Mom, I don't need to at the end of the triangle. Bye.
Okay.